Hello everyone, Neha here. Welcome back to my channel. Really hope you all are doing good. So today I am going to show you how I keep my skin glowing and healthy using my skincare regime. Regime cleansing, toning and moisturizing is a must to keep your skin healthy, and I follow this routine every single day, no excuse. Without any further ado, let's get start the video. If you are new to here, subscribe to my channel. If you find this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family. Very first step to cleanse your skin every day with any deep cleansing facial foam, or you can use a natural facial foam also. Here I am using a natural facial foam to deep cleanse my skin every day. Milk has the essential antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties to dead bacteria and impurities on your skin. It improves your skin tone, helps to reduces the scars on it. Take 1 or 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour. It is a kind of coarse besan, and add 3 or 4 tablespoons of raw milk. Mix it well and apply it gently on all over your face. Leave it for good 7 to 8 minutes on your face. Let it be dry and then take lukewarm bath. Very next step, you have to tone your skin. Toning is must every single day. You need to tone your skin. Many women skip this step because they don't know, which is very important and necessary to keep your skin healthy and looking younger as fresh as you can. It tightens your skin, it reduces the sizes of your pores and blemishes on your skin which may be left on your skin. Now the toner, I am using cucumber toner. This is a homemade natural toner. This toner I have already shown in my previous video. You can check it out. So just take a cotton pad, or you can directly spray on all over your face, neck, and let it be air dry. Last and very important step to moisturize your skin in a daily skincare routine is very important. As I told before, moisturize your skin to keep your skin hydrated as well. For a very good moisturizer, here I am using a aloe vera cube on all over my face. I told my previous video, aloe vera is a great and excellent moisturizer every skin type. Aloe vera keeps your skin hydrated. Aloe vera keeps your skin healthier. Aloe vera gives you soothe and supple skin. Aloe vera is a very good moisturizer for every skin type. Me a super healthier skin. Use a light texture moisturizer during the day and nourishing cream on night as well. So guys, this is my everyday skincare routine which helps me to keep my skin healthy and best with minimal effort. All about in today's video. Really hope guys this video is going to be a very helpful. If you really find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.